you are talking about the page number 70. That's the test 2.
We cannot use was. We have to use the verb were because it shows plural form. When Sajal and Tarun are both, two people are there, we cannot use was, we have to use were. I hope everyone understands this. Any doubt in this?
Ma'am, which page number I cannot hear you properly.
Ma'am, you forgot P.
It's okay, Ayush, you understand, na? It is page.
Karnav, Shubh Singhala only sitting and not writing anything. What is the matter?
Ma'am, in second one, children love ice cream will come, na? Except of loves.
Ma'am, in second one, it will come children loves ice cream.
My God, children's Samruddhi, shame on you and shame on me. Since grade 3, I'm teaching you. Children's? Which kind of English is this?
Children.
Where it is plural,
Children.
then children loves. How can it come loves? When plural form is there, we cannot use S with the verb. That is what I'm trying to teach you with this exercise.
All of you are requested to please switch on your cameras. Many of you have not switched on your cameras.
Is not seen, right? Cannot be seen. Kanak ma'am? Can anybody see the presentation?
No, ma'am. No.
There is no presentation, ma'am.
Yes, Ayush, that's what ma'am is working on that. Please wait.
There is no presentation.
I send you a mail of this test 2 answer sheet.
Yes, ma'am. You said that.
I have
It
already
is
sent
there in.
children. I
Yes.
have already sent it on class communication.
Ma'am, can I do it without seeing?
Then check your answers.
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot see the presentation.
I have sent it in the communication. Please take a help from there.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
now
now
it is
we can
there.
see.
It is there, ma'am. Your presentation. Can't hear you, ma'am.
The presentation is there.
Yes. Exercise A, page number 70.
Perfect.
Ma'am, it can also be the workers came to paint the house.
You have to change the verb, not the doer.
So it should be come.
No, tense cannot be changed. You cannot change the tense. Whatever tense is given, you have to keep it, follow the same thing.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you show one answer? I want to write one answer.
Ma'am, in B in the forest, this can come. The fearsome lion chased the beautiful deer.
Ish,
Yes, ma'am.
by adding adjectives.
Yeah, so fearsome lion and beautiful for deer.
Just a minute. Huh?
Yes.
Ayush, repeat your answer.
The fearsome lion chased the beautiful deer.
Okay. Yes, you may. Adjectives can be vary. You can write down whichever adjectives, but see to it that adjective should suit it, suit the noun.
Ma'am, can I write the hungry lion chased the wonderful deer?
Yes, yes, correct. This is a wonderful answer.
Ma'am, I can write this as scary lion chase the deer.
You have to use any adjective, some adjective. You can of course write down. Hungry lion is the correct adjective, but then you have to use one more adjective before deer also.
Ma'am, can you show one means four?
First answer of exercise 1.
No,
Sajal
four.
and Tarun. Which one do you
When
want?
she is asking for fourth number.
Scroll.
Ma'am, the bully boys. Can I say the bully boys?
Singular form. The bully boy. Boy is name. It is in the singular form.
The bully boy means the person who bullies their small age.
Correct it is. Yes, correct it is.
Migdad, mic off, बच्चा. Migdad.
Ma'am, I can write like this. My ate red apples and drank sweet
You
juice.
can write down sweet juice, red apple, but don't change apples to apple.
Ma'am, it can be juicy apples.
Means
Means, can I write juicy apples? Of course. Yes, okay.
Yes, I want everyone's cameras should be on. Gunav.
Kanak madam,
Yes, ma'am.
you know, no, that classroom has some problem.
No.
So if we pin the student, no, then we can see. Sometimes even if his camera is working, we cannot see the child. So if we
Ha
pin
ha.
that particular child, we
Ha,
can see.
that's what I am doing. I first pin and then I see if
Yes,
the child is not there,
yes,
then I
yes.
am telling. Yes.
I came to know just day before yesterday about this.
Yes, yes.
Write fast. Lakshay, Vaidi, increase the speed of writing.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the second one, can I write? Ma'am,
I
naughty slept on a
Ma'am,
uncomfortable coach. Second.
Good morning, ma'am. मैं
To write
आश्वी की
instead of
मम्मी बोल रही हूँ.
comfortable coach.
मैम, as she is not feeling well today, उसको थोड़ा सा पैरों में सिर में दर्द हो रहा है और उसको थ्रोट में भी इन्फेक्शन सा लग रहा है. So she will not attend. She will not attend the class
What
today.
is this?
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Ashvi, ma'am, it is Ashvi's mother speaking.
This Varshnai, I have sent the answer sheet in the classroom. When she will feel better, that time just ask her to complete it.
Okay, no
That
problem.
will be all right. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you for
you.
informing.
Thank you.
Ma'am, now you scroll down. Scroll down.
Ayansh, I want you to please write down.
Exercise. When it is a plural form of, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I was saying, that it is not clear. Now it is clear, your voice.
Okay, yes. So when it is plural doer, always singular verb should be used. That is, every evening we play. This is a plural form of doer. So in the verb, s will not be joined. S will not be added. And if it is instead of I, he, she, it must be there, would be there, then it will come. Okay, here we are using the correct tense. So every evening we play cricket, because this shows the everyday's work, everyday's schedule. So here it will not coming are playing, because we all have learned already that are playing shows the continuous tense. But here when it is saying that every evening, that means it is not continuous, it is just showing everyday's schedule. So simple tense you have to use, any form of simple tense.
Ma'am, I mean fourth means. Yes, I mean.
Vaidhi, I already told you to write fast.
Okay, ma'am.
You want me to scroll again down? Up?
Yes, up.
Lakshay, start fast.
Ma'am, it can be a charming house.
Ma'am, can't hear you.
Ma'am, it can be a charming house or not?
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, I am in fifth.
We are done.
Parnika, why your camera is not on? Parnika?
I can see you just sitting.
Emma is done this one. And all right.
This one. I am an E.
Riddhi Goyal, your camera is also not on. Riddhi Goyal. Yes, Parnika, now it is there.
At 9:30, I shall be stopping the presentation. At 9:30. And now I want you to complete it as a homework. Now I will be expecting from you to complete it at home, since the answer sheet is already sent to you. Am I clear? Am I clearly audible?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So once again, I'm telling you that at 9:30, I shall be stopping the presentation and our story narration will start. Story narration activity will start. So I shall be stopping the presentation at 9:30. As I have already sent you the answer sheet, I want you to complete it at home.
Ridhan Goyal, can you please on your mic, this camera? Ridhan.
Ma'am, the last one is tricky. See the last one. See the last. Tricky. Art learning.
Ayush, microphone off.
Today's narrator are Jahan Agarwal, Karnav Patel, Sia Patel, Khush Ahuja, and Anushka Choraria. Jahan Agarwal, Karnav Patel, Sia Patel, Khush Ahuja, Anushka Choraria.
Ma'am, I have completed the full test paper second.
Ma'am, it was Thursday. It was my story narrator, but there was no name. You have not written my name on
I
it.
shall select every day on the spot the names.
Okay, ma'am.
Narrators are
Ma'am, now
ready.
I can say
Are the narrators
yes,
ready?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Jahan Agarwal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please start, Jahan. I am waiting for your story.
Man, mic off. Man. Your microphone is on, Man.
Ma'am, Jan Agrawal is not there.
Patel ready? Man Rajodia, switch off your mic. Karnav, I can see you still writing. When it is your turn to narrate the story, Mr. Patel Karnav.
Karnav ma'am is calling out your name. Yes, chat.
Yes, ma'am.
Story, how many times should I plead you?
Ma'am, 2 boys and 1 bear. There were 2 boys. They were walking. They were walking and going to the school. Then one day, 1 bear came. And 1 bear came. And one boy jumped at the tree, and second boy lied down in the ground. Then bear came and then he go away.
Away. He go away, nahi, he went away.
He went away.
And it is given to every child. Huh?
Ma'am, this much story I know.
Okay, you are not taking anything seriously, I must say. Sia Patel, are you there, Sia Patel? Khush Ahuja?
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Yes,
start.
Sia Patel is not there, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Khush Ahuja, please start.
The story of the elephant and the mice. Once there was a herd of the elephant that destroyed the houses of the mice. The chief of the mice went to the head of the elephants and requested to be careful next time. The head of the elephant promised to be careful next time. On the next day, there was hunters in the jungle. The hunters trapped one elephant, and the head of the elephant went to the chief of the mice and requested to help them. The chief of the mice called all his friends and went to the jungle and chewed the net. The elephant was free. Thank you. The moral of the story is we should help each other.
Pleased with you. Khush,
Yes.
seriously, you did very well. And you took everything seriously. Sincerely, you did. I'm very much happy with you, Khush. Well done. I've given you good marks. So here, can we have Anushka Chararia?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Anushka, please start. Khush, you can switch off your mic. You have wonderfully presented. Anushka, please start, beta. I can see
Ma'am,
you.
I have a confusion.
Sorry?
Ma'am, we have to say our own story or we have to... What, ma'am? Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Ma'am, I can't also hear you.
Leave, it is not 9:40. How dare you ask me to leave? Anushka, any story you can say.
The little
Kannan,
green...
am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, now it is.
The little...
Dare to ask me for leaving. It is not even 9:40 now. How can you ask me for leave? Anushka, please start.
The little green pea.
Have
One
your turn
day-
after Anushka.
One day in a castle, once upon a time in a kingdom, a prince lived named Rohan. He was very beautiful. He was very handsome. Her mother said to him that now is your age of marriage. So he said, yes, mother, I will go and find a princess for me to marry. So he went in a kingdom near clouds. Then he found a girl doing makeup. He said, hello, princess, but the princess was busy in dressing up. So the prince thought that this princess would be not good for me. So he went on a rainbow castle. When he went here, the rainbow castle princess was busy in eating food. She was eating like so much food. So he thought this also must be not a good princess for me. So he went home and tell his mother all about he went there. At night, one day, a castle door knocked. It was a girl wearing a red coat, and she said, hello, prince. Can I sleep here for one night because it's raining today? So the prince said yes. And he said, mother, I want to marry her. But his
Good,
mother
Anushka,
did
but you are
not.
using the tenses wrongly, in a wrong way. He told. When you are narrating a story, it should be in the past tense. Anushka, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so please complete your story faster. It is 9:39. It is
Yes, ma'am.
9:40 already. We cannot give one a chance today. Please finish your
Ma'am,
story fast, then we all can leave.
Ma'am, I have to go
So
in Hindi. Can I go?
Ma'am, tomorrow my
his
chance
mother
will
told
come.
no, why you want to marry her? Then she is not a princess. But he didn't listen to her mother. So her mother told him, take a she make a 10
If others
one
can leave.
upon one bed of 10 miles. Then she said, I am putting a green little pea inside the bed. If the girl couldn't sleep, so she is a princess. If the girl could sleep on it, so she is not a princess. And she take the security of the castle and said him, if the girl couldn't sleep, so tell me. So she, she told the girl to sleep over there. When she was not able to sleep on the bed, and she said to the security of the castle that don't told the prince and his mother about I can't sleep on this bed. When it's morning, the security ran and said the prince's mother that the girl couldn't sleep on the bed the whole night. Then the prince understand that she is a princess. Then they married. Thank you.
Good, Anushka. It was a good story and you presented properly, nicely. Okay? Yes. So our class timings are all over. I have already sent the names who are supposed to wait for stay back for a reading session. All others can go.
Ma'am, I am also leaving. So shall I stop recording?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am Kanak.
Thank you, Kanak, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.